I always, even during the pandemic, the toughest times, I always go back to my lolo. Imagine somebody who's at that time, mga siguro, ano siya noon, 20 years old, 21, had to leave their family in China, knowing that they will not go back again. Yun yung paborito kong storya ng lolo. Alam nila hindi na sila babalik. And then going to a country where they don't even know how to speak the native language. And yet he was able to put up a roadside pansiteria. Then yung lola ko, pag makita mo, magugulat ka paano na pasagot ng lolo ko eh. Kasi ang liit ng lolo ko, mga 5'5" lang lolo ko. Ang lola ko, mga 5'9". I mean, all of these amazing things na nakikita ko siya. At ito na, vivid sa isip ko. Nagagawa siya ng fish balls from scratch, ng broth, no? Creative siya. Hindi kami bumibili ng gas kasi meron kaming, alam mo, kusot. Yung sawdust. Yun ang panluto na gumawa siya ng pugon na 3 layers, no? Kaya yung broth namin, very, 3 araw na yun, bago i-serve, no? Imagine mo yung lasa nun, di ba?